James with OnlineCarShow. Today we're going to be looking at mods for the Camaro, and some of these will actually work on any car for under $50. Without hesitation, let's get this video started. Well, it's been a while since my last mods under $50 video, and I promised an update 2 to that video, so I thought it was about time for that with some of the little mods here and there that I've added to the vehicle. So we're going to go through each one of the mods, and I'll put a link in the description where you can get these on Amazon or websites, etc. that I found them. And please let me know in the comments if you've got some additional suggestions or mods that you've done yourself that you want to share with everybody, or if you found some of these mods at a cheaper price, go ahead and share that with everybody. That's good information. So let's go ahead and get on to the first mod here. The, I guess, viewer's favorite mod, if you will, by video views was probably actually the red key. I did a video on getting a red key for your Chevrolet Camaro because the Dodge guys, of course, have the Hellcat red and black keys. So I'll put a link in the description for this product. It was fairly cheap, easy to install, and actually kind of protects your key cover in your pocket and so forth. Alright, for the next mod, we're going to come back to the trunk. In the last video, I think I brought this up in the description and so forth, but I never really showed a video of it. I put a red light here for the trunk light, underneath wherever it is here, yeah, right here. You can simply pop it out, replace it with the red LED, pop it back in, you're good to go. It's light outside, so it's kind of hard to see the red light, but real cheap, easy $5–10 mod. Alright, if we're going to go off what is probably one of my favorite under $50 mods, I did show this in the last video, but again, it's going to be the black Camaro side emblems. These are really cheap, I think $30–35 for both sides, and it gets rid of that chrome emblem for a black one. Really easy to install. Use a fishing line method to take it off by going fishing line through the bottom of it to cut off the glue or whatnot. Make sure you have a blue painter's tape marking where it was so you can put the new one back on. Really simple, it takes 10 minutes to do each side. Alright, for the next mod here, we're going to go to the interior of the car. Some of you may or may not know I replaced my interior start button with a ZL1 Start Button. I believe you can get this from gmpartshouse.com. Go check them out or send them a message and see if they have them in stock or if they can get them. Really cheap, easy to replace. I used the chrome ring, those that aren't familiar with my video, from the one that was in here, and I replaced the center button with the chrome ZL1 Start Button. As you can see, it's red before you start it. Once you start it up, that's a really quick mod to set you off different from other cars. Looks really good in the car. I love the button. Which now we come to the LED, or the side marker, excuse me. There are LED bulbs in here. So this is actually 2 mods I'm going to show you with one thing here. One is that I tinted the side markers with a smoked or blackout tint. And also I replaced the bulb inside with an LED, so it lights up a lot brighter, and it's a more true yellow and true red in the back. Looks really good. I think the tint was $20, and it came with the 2 back reflectors as well. And I think the bulbs I got from S&P Auto, and I'll put a link to both of the products. But the bulbs were a crazy deal. It was like, I think I ordered the bulbs and I got 20 of them, which was enough to do 3 cars. So you could order the pack of bulbs and sell the 2 sets to your buddies to make up the difference. But it was really cheap mod there. Now we're going to come to the front of the car, and this is a mod I kept seeing on other channels but didn't know where the hell they were getting them in these Fangs. I basically had to cut my own, and it took some time to do, but I made a template and whatnot to get these Fangs cut. I'm surprised Fast Tech and other companies like that aren't offering some type of kit for that. It seems like it's indented perfectly to fit a sticker there that actually, you know, would match the hood. I use the matte black to match the black hood on the Camaro SS1 LE. But I think it looks really good, and I'm kind of shocked that there isn't a kit out there. I had to custom make my own. Another mod for under 50 that I'm going to put in the description here is, or link to, is these SS valve cover caps. You can get them with SS, RS. I'm not sure if they have ZL1 or stuff like that, but I know they at least have the SS and the RS that you can order. These are real cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link. For interior mods under $50, if you don't have these visor sticker covers, it's just a vinyl sticker that goes over that ugly yellow sticker on your visor on both sides of the car. These were really cheap. This came with the Camaro emblem on it, which actually is another sticker. So if you didn't want the Camaro emblem, just wanted the black, you could easily take that off. But I'll put a link below. Alright, for under the hood accessories, I made a video on these chrome Hoodliner buttons. Be sure to go check it out. They were kind of expensive, but I think they fell under the $50 price range. I think it was $40 or something dollars, I can't remember, but they are in reality just hood buttons that you're spending $40 for. But it's a Camaro part that I said, you know, this will work on any other car. It does. It works great. So that's another mod under 50 you can do for your car if you like it. Brings us to the next mod. We've got the oil dipstick cover. This is a recent video I did. I found this link to this was $12 on Amazon by Ryan Star Performance. Really easy to put on. I think it was one bolt and it was done. Looks really good under the hood. Really cheap dress up part. Anybody can do with some spare change. Another one here we've got AC valve cover, cap cover, or whatever you want to call it. Chrome billet. I got this one with Fast Tech Performance. It does fall under the $50 mark, and you can go out to fasttechperformance.com to get that one. I don't know the link to their store and all that, so I'm just going to put a link to their website for that one. Those of you that are wanting to do some recording in your car, and if you have a car like me without the PDR system, you can get you I believe this was $10, $15 or something on Amazon, and as you can see, it will go all different directions. It'll work on the outside body of the car. Use a suction cup. Very good quality for the amount of money you spend on it. Well, if you liked what you saw in this video, I'll ask you to please like the video and share it out, and please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check back later this week. I've got 2 mods ordered and on the way, and we've also got a couple car meets coming up, so some exciting content on the way. Thanks for watching my videos. Y'all have a great week.